Hello, I was about to walk off when I realised the video was going to start. I remembered I hadn't got my lye. And you can't make soap without it. You can't make soap without it. That's for all the people that say, can you make soap without lye? No, you cannot. It's a lie if anyone tells you you can. You can create soap without lye if you use milk and pour, but you cannot make soap without it. Oh, and a big shout out to my 888 subbies. You guys are awesome. That's the best number. How's that not the best number ever? 888 subscribers. I'm so happy. Doesn't take much to keep me happy, does it? Wow. The steak and 888 subscribers, and I haven't had a steak, so. Alright. Before I babble on any further, I'm doing Oud, Amber, and Musk. My plan, because they've been going so well today, is to make a gold soap with what was supposed to be a dark gold but is now whatever that colour is. It's some colour. It's gold with black pearl in it. These golds are leftovers from when I used to buy from eBay, so they don't have names. I don't even remember who I bought them off. But the best gold that I've seen from MMO is Resplendent, which is beautiful. So anyway, so as you can see, I just put a whole metric shit ton. And we'll see what happens. It goes brown. Because I still don't think that it's going to be enough to make it actually gold. I think I'm going to need a lot more than that. But, you know what? Stuff it, I might anyway. I have Resplendent and Grandeur is a lot lighter. Yeah, so that's the Grandeur there. And this one is the Resplendent. And you can definitely see the difference. This is a richer gold, whereas this is more of a paler gold. And that's sort of more the colour that I want, but this is already really rich. So, and I have lots of that and I don't have a lot of this. But that's okay, so I'm just going to put it all in there. Oh my god, I've just used so much mica. That's mental. All that mica and may just end up with just a brown soap. So, the weirdest and bestest thing happened the other day, I have to say. At the markets. And this lady rocks up. Never seen her before. She's on one of your friends on YouTube, and it blew my flipping mind. I swear. It was the weirdest and best. She said, oh, it's not too weird, is it? I'm like, no, yes, no. Because yes, it's weird to think that I have a fan. But that was kind of cool too. So, yeah, so we had an awesome chat, and apparently we're sisters from another mister because we're so much alike it was stupid. And, yeah, I gave her a soap. And, yeah, it was just... I just sat there for about 20 minutes afterwards just like, what the? It was weird. It was really cool though, I have to say. Because, you know, shit like that doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. But it did. So yeah, so you look, if you got, I mean, because I just like to think I'm speaking to a lot of Aussies. If you are in Yamba for holidays, a lot of people come here for holidays, and the markets are on, please come and say hello. It was just so nice to talk to someone else who does soap, hey. And she does candles as well, so we had a chat about palm, because, you know, I kind of want to get into palm wax and I want to do pillars as well, and she does that. I mean, she only lives just, not up the road, but basically up. In this country, it's basically up the road. So, yeah, so, you know, and we said we'll do lunch, and, oh, it was nice. It was really, really nice. So, yeah, so if you guys are ever in Yamba, please stop in and say hello. To the market's not my house, because that would be creepy, and I'll call the police after I beat the shit out of you. I have a really big sword, so, and I'm not even joking. I actually do. I have, if anyone knows anything about anime, I have Cloud's Buster sword, so, and it's sharp. Alright, oh, righto, hippie, woohoo! Hippie dippy soap. This will keep the hippies happy. Who had actually had a hippie girl come in on Sunday. Sure, if she wasn't from Nimbin, oh, I don't know where she's from. It's nice. It's very much that oud, woody smell. It's definitely a smell that would give me a headache after a very short amount of time. But it's not awful, so, you know. But this is one of the Oud, Amber and Musk. This is one of the March fragrances from Eroma. Alright, so let's see what happens when we pour this in her. And her. Okie dokie dokie. I still haven't moved that bloody camera, have I? No. It's still not in the right spot. Because usually you can't see this. I don't think. I don't even know. Usually I think you can see further over that way. Well, I mean, it's not a horrible colour, but it's not... Yeah, okay, it's a horrible colour. It just looks like poo. Baby poo. Seriously, if you've had a baby, you know, especially that first one. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's just... I shouldn't go there, because that's like... But seriously though, I had no idea. Before I had my first son, I had held a child, a baby, about when I was 6 months pregnant. That's a very... before that, I was not even remotely interested in kids at all. Never wanted them. Well, not at that age. I was 20, for God's sake. And yeah, and then when he did this poo... A baby's first poo is from what they have been eating inside you. So it's like black and goo. It's like tar. It's really disgusting. I can't believe I'm talking about this while I'm making soap. It's like, and because I didn't know, I freaked out. Thought there was something wrong with the kid. And she said, "Oh no, she didn't you know?" I said, "How would I know that? No one told me my child was going to do black poo." "Oh, yeah, no, that's completely natural." I said, "Well, someone probably should have told me that." You know, maybe I should have done my homework. You know, because it's not like I didn't study soap for a long time before I did it. Actually, it has just dawned on me. I actually studied soaping for longer than I studied pregnancy and babies. Because I don't think I studied at all. I think I just got pregnant accidentally on the pill. And had a baby. Oh gee. Curtis, my youngest, is the only planned child. Ah, there you go. This is what happens. Alrighty, I don't even know why I'm talking about this, honestly. You probably don't want to know. Alright, so yeah, up high for deeper pores, down low to make it more shallow. More shallow. Yeah, that's kind of the right English, isn't it? Shallower. Alright. These are going to be freebies. These are so I can sit in front of my wrapped up soap so people can pick them up and smell them. This is just in case you've not watched my channel before. You know, because people out there that are just missing out. So an idiot, aren't I? I'm in stupid mode this afternoon. I swear, this is my 4th soap, so. It's the second one that's gone right though, so that's a good thing. This didn't move too fast. I'm pretty pleased with this. And it's not, the smell's nice. It's not overpowering at all. It's definitely not like at this scent level. It wouldn't give me a headache, so. And I'm really sensitive to smells, so that should tell you something. It's quite nice, actually, for what it is. You know, so could be a lot worse. It could be one of those flower ones I plan on doing. Not a fan. Not a fan of the florals, my friends. Not at all. Alright, you can go over there. I'm going to just put a little drizzle in here. Not much, just a little drizzle. Just so I can twirl it about. Make it do the hokey pokey, possibly. Oh, dearie me. Oh, this is still reasonably fluid, so if I hurry my ass up, I might do a, I don't even know what it's called. A different top than what I normally do. Normally I just do the infinity. This is and make a mess. I'm pretty good at that. Always good at making the mess. At making the messes. Oh dear. Yeah, I don't know if this discolours at all, so, but it's definitely not gold. Although the colours that it is, I don't hate. It'll be interesting to see. It does still have like a kind of, oh, stupid head. Stupid head, that's me. Just call me stupid head. It does have that mica sheen to it. Not the Michael Sheen, the mica sheen. Oh yeah, maybe I should go to bed. The Michael Sheen. He's awesome, by the way. It does, like I was saying, I'll be sensible for a second. It's over. It does have that sheen to it, so I might be lucky. And it may actually be goldish. I think it would need a lot more gold. Now that was a lot of gold as it was, so that starts to become an expensive soap when you do that. So, because mica is probably the most expensive thing that goes in there. You know, I don't know. I've never really priced it. Well, I have, but not in rather large quantities like that. I'm going to leave that like that because I kind of like that. Yeah, and I guess we'll come back and... Really, air bubble, did you have to do that? Just go away. Yeah, I guess we'll come back and see when it's cut how much sheen it's got to it. How much Michael sheen it's got to it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go because I'm just being stupid now. Bye. Hello. Is my hand in camera? No. Off getting a paper towel. Get this ready to put the soup. The soupy soups. This is very musky, very woody. I want to say woodsy again, but it's not what it is. Ugh. And it's hard. Come on. See, I don't have these tight enough to cut through soap that's been sitting all night. So, oh, here we go. As you can see, this one gelled as well. They all gelled, all 5 of them, because it was very warm last night. And so I ended up, I just pushed them all next to one another and let them gel all the way to the edges. So they all had heat from one another. The only thing is that the bench was obviously cool because I haven't quite gelled all the way to the edges. But hey, it's all good. It'll change colours in the next couple of days, which they usually do. Because you've got to remember they're made with goat's milk as well, which does make a difference in their colouring a bit. Which is, you know, my opinion based on what I've seen from my soaps. It's not necessarily a scientific fact. Oh, apparently that was a lot easier to cut through than the other end. Just because it wasn't as much. Yeah, very simple drop swirl. Nothing exciting in that one at all. There you go. Oh, this was supposed to be gold, wasn't it? Yeah, that didn't happen at all. Yes, no, there's not gold. It'll be interesting, actually, where it's not gelled around the edges. If it comes back to that, it may look gold because you can see it does have. Actually, it does. You know, it does have a slight shimmer to it. It all has a slight shimmer to it. It's just, oh, it does. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can get some. See that? So yeah, so we'll see. Anyway, I'll post a picture after this so you can have a look and see if I can capture what it looks like when it's cured. Alright, bye.